Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to archive your story on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and create a story. And you can do this by clicking the plus sign icon at the bottom of your screen. And then select story. Then just add any content that you want to put on your story. And the key here is to post this story to your close friends. The second key is to choose an account that you will include in your close friends list, who is very unlikely to view your Instagram story, or it may also be your second Instagram account. So choose that one person who is very unlikely to view your story. As for me, I'm using my other Instagram account. And post your story, and then when you view your story, you may uncheck that one person that you added as your close friend. And then wait for 24 hours until your Instagram story has lapsed. And that way, it will automatically be added to your archived stories. And that's how you can easily archive your stories on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!